Good morning. Chapter Complex Numbers and Quadratic Equations. Exercise 5.2. Question number 1. The question is, find the modulus and arguments of z equal to -1 minus I root 3. Okay. So z equal to -1 minus I root 3. Okay, find its modulus and argument. That means modulus means r, that is r equal to under root square plus.
So under root x square plus y square.
Okay, it's also correct. And amplitude or argument means angle theta. Theta also you have to find. Okay, so use the polar form formula. So here z equal to -1 minus I root 3 equal to modulus amplitude form r into cos theta
So cos theta plus I sin theta.
plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Now comparing both sides. So r cos theta equal to r cos theta equal to -1 and r sin theta equal to minus root 3. Okay, comparing both sides, r cos theta equal to -1, r sin theta equal to minus root 3.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now squaring both sides and adding. Squaring both sides and adding, we get, so r square cos square theta, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta sin square theta equal to -1 square, that is +1, 1,
So 1 plus 3, which is
1
3.
plus 3.
3. Root 3 square is 3, minus plus. Okay. Then r square is common, cos square theta plus sin square theta, and cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So r square equal to 4.
R is equals to 2.
Yes. R equal to 2. R equal to 2. So R is modulus. Okay, modulus is always positive. So take positive sign only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now R is 2. So r cos theta equal to -1. So put r equal to 2. So it is 2 cos theta equal to -1. So 2 cos theta equal to -1. 2 cos theta equal to -1. So this means cos theta equal to
So -1/2.
cos theta equal to -1/2, and 2 sin theta equal to -√3. 2 sin theta equal to -√3. So sin
So
theta
sin theta is equal to
-√3/2.
-√3/2. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Therefore, tan theta equal to tan theta equal to 2 cancel, minus cancel, √3, no, only √3.
So √3.
So √3.
√3. Okay. Now we know tan alpha equal to tan alpha equal to mod of tan theta. Okay. So tan theta is √3. So this equal to √3. Mod √3 is √3 only, positive. √3, and √3 means tan 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
So tan alpha equal to tan 60. That means tan 60 means we can write pi by 3.
So pi/3.
Pi by
Tan alpha equal to tan pi by 3. So alpha equal to pi by 3. This is alpha, not theta. Okay. Our question is find amplitude. Amplitude means theta.
Yes, sir.
Now this sin theta is minus and cos theta also minus. Okay. And we know z is equal to, it is question -1 minus I√3. So theta lies which quadrant? Theta, sin theta and cos theta both are negative. So theta lies which quadrant?
So the third quadrant.
Third quadrant. Yes. Theta lies third quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So since theta lies third quadrant, okay. So therefore theta equal to third quadrant means First quadrant is theta equal to alpha. Second quadrant pi minus alpha. Third quadrant is alpha minus pi. No. Third quadrant
Yes, sir. So alpha minus pi.
theta equal to alpha minus pi. So this equal to alpha is pi by 3. Minus pi equal to
Minus 2 pi by 3.
yes,
Minus 2 pi by 3.
yes, 3 pi is the LCM. Pi minus 3 pi minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi by 3. This is theta. Theta means amplitude. Okay. Now write down the answer.
Yes, sir.
So first is modulus. So modulus equal to hence modulus equal to 2. Modulus equal to 2 and amplitude equal to, that is theta. Amplitude equal to minus 2 pi by 3. Pi by 3. Okay, so this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Clear? All of you understand?
Yes,
sir.
How to find modulus and amplitude? Okay, by using polar formula. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
The next question, number 2. Everyone written?
Yes, sir.
Number 2 is z is equal to number 2 z equal to minus root 3 plus I. Okay, minus root 3 plus I. So here apply same process, polar form. Z equal to minus root 3 plus I equal to polar form R into minus root 3 plus I R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Plus I sin theta. Now comparing both sides, R cos theta equal to minus root 3. R cos theta equal to minus root 3.
R sin theta is equals to I.
And R sin theta R sin theta equal to I cancel 1 no.
Yes, sir. 1.
Yes, sir.
I cancel both sides. Okay. Now squaring both sides. squaring and adding, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So r square cos square theta, no? R square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta
Sir, it will be 4. Sir, it will be equal to 4.
So
sin
3 plus 1.
theta equal to minus root 3 square, that is 3.
So 3 plus 1, which
So
is
3
equal
plus
to
1, 4.
3 plus 1. Okay. So r square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is 1. So r square.
1.
So r square equal to
So r square equals to 4, r is equals to 2.
r square equal to 4.
Sir, r is equal to 2.
So r is 2.
Okay. R equal to 2. Okay. This is modulus. No. Now
Yes, sir.
2 cos theta equal to
So minus 3. Minus root 3.
2 cos theta equal to 2 cos theta equal to minus root 3.
Sir, cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2.
So cos theta equal to
Minus root 3 by 2.
minus root 3 by 2 and 2 sin theta equal to 1.
So 1. So sir, sin theta is equal to
So
1 by
sin
2.
theta is equals to 1 by 2.
Sin theta equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So therefore sin by cos tan theta equal to
So minus 1 by
So
root 3.
1 by minus 3.
So minus 1 by root 3.
okay 1 by 2 by minus root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. No. So it is minus.
Yes, sir. Minus 1 by root
So
3.
minus 1 by root 3. And sir, tan alpha is equal to mod tan theta, which is equal to 1 by root 3.
So tan theta equal to minus.
1 by root 3.
Yes. Okay. Now tan alpha equal to tan alpha equal to mod of tan theta.
Mod of tan
Mod
theta.
of tan theta.
Sir, which is equal to 1 by root 3.
Yes, mod value always positive.
Yes, sir.
So it is 1 by root 3. And 1 by root 3 means tan
30 degree.
So tan 30. So pi by 6.
Yes.
Pi by 6.
So tan alpha equal to tan pi by 6. Pi by 6. So alpha equal to
So pi by 6.
Okay, pi by 6.
Yes, sir.
Now, theta lies which quadrant? Since question is minus root 3 plus I. Okay, so x negative, y positive. X negative, y positive, that is which quadrant? Second quadrant, no? And sin theta is half and cos theta equal to minus. So second quadrant sin positive, cos negative, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So theta, since
So
theta
theta
is
is
second quadrant.
yes, sir. So theta will be equal to pi minus alpha.
Since theta lies in second quadrant, therefore theta equal to,
So pi
Alpha
minus
minus
alpha.
pi.
Sir, pi minus alpha.
yes, second quadrant. Second quadrant we know pi minus alpha. Okay? Pi minus alpha, alpha is pi by 6, so pi minus pi by 6.
So theta will be equal to 5 pi by 6.
Equal to 6 minus 1.
5 pi by 6.
So 5 pi by 6.
Pi by 6. Okay? So, modulus equal to, therefore,
So modulus is equal to 2 and amplitude is equal to 5 pi by 6.
modulus equal to 2. Amplitude equal to
5 pi by 6.
okay. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Procedure clear? How to solve this type questions?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now start question number 3. Any question? Anyone? Hello?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Same type question, no? Number 3. Okay. Question is 1 minus I. Okay. So Z equal to, let, you can write let also, let Z equal to 1 minus I, 1 minus 1 minus I equal to R cos theta plus I sin theta okay. So comparing both sides r cos theta equal to 1 r cos theta equal to 1 and
Sir, r sin theta is equal to -1.
r
Sir, r sin theta is equal to
minus
-1.
1.
equal to -1. Okay, now squaring both sides and adding. So r square cos square theta cos square theta plus r square sin square theta equal to
1 plus 1, that is 2.
So 1 plus 1, which is 2. Sir, r is equal to
minus 1
root
whole
2.
square 1, so 1 plus 1. Okay, then
Two.
r square is common, r square into 1, so r square equal to 2.
Yes, sir, r square is equal to
R
2.
square equals to 2.
And sir, r is equal to root 2.
So r equal to, therefore r equal to root 2. Okay, r is root 2. Now so r equal to root 2, so cos theta equal to, therefore cos theta equal to
1 by root 2.
cos theta equal to 1 by root 2. Yes, and sin theta equal to
So minus 1 by root 2.
So minus 1 by root 2.
yes minus 1 by root 2. Okay, so sin by cos tan, therefore tan theta equal to therefore
So
So
minus
minus
1.
1.
tan theta equal to minus 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 minus 1. Root 2 cancel, it is minus 1. And tan theta equal to minus 1. So we know tan alpha, no?
Sir, tan alpha is equal to mod of tan theta, which is equal to 1.
Yes. So tan alpha equal to mod of tan theta equal to 1. Mod of minus 1, it is 1. Mod is
Yes, sir.
okay. Now 1 means tan pi by 4, tan
45.
Sir, tan pi by 4, which is
4.
45 degree.
So alpha
So, sir,
equal
tan
to
alpha is
So
equal
pi
to
by
tan
4
pi
it
by
is.
4.
so alpha equal to pi by 4. Alpha is pi by 4. Okay. Now theta. No, theta equal to, it is, so now which quadrant theta lies? Sin theta is minus 1 by root 2, cos theta is positive.
Sir, fourth quadrant. Sir, fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant.
Yes, cos positive and sin negative. It is
Yes, sir.
fourth quadrant. Since theta lies in the fourth quadrant, since theta lies in the fourth.
Sir, in fourth quadrant, sir, theta is equal to minus alpha.
Okay, fourth quadrant. Therefore, theta equal to,
Minus alpha.
yes, fourth quadrant it is minus alpha. So equal to
Minus pi by 4.
minus pi by 4. Okay, so therefore modulus equal
Modulus is
The
equal to
modulus is
root
root 2 and amplitude is equal
And
to
sir,
minus pi
amplitude
by
is
4.
minus pi by 4.
Okay, this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Clear all of you? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.